So our photos are renamed as a 1 2 3 4. In that 1 2 3 4, by default background image is 1.jpg. 1.jpg we are displaying as a default image. Okay, 1.jpg we are displaying as a default image. Before this banner, at this place only, write a comment, keep inside animation in CSS. Animation in CSS. Animation in CSS. Come down. Write a animation at the rate keyframes. At the rate keyframes is the reserved keyword of CSS. Using that, you can create the animation. So at the rate keyframes is required. After that, you have to give the name of your animation. What will be the name of the animation? So animation name, you can give anything. ABC. So ABC become the name of the animation. ABC become the name of the animation. Now under this animation, what you want to do? So under this animation, we want to change the color of text. Under this animation, we want to change the color of text. Which text? Those text that is available under the banner. So first change the color. Okay. Next question will be how many times you want to change the color. Only one time or two times or three times or four times. Animation meaning is what? It should keep happening continuous. Okay. So now let's go. Animation you created. You have to link with the banner. Right here. Animation colon name of the animation. Animation colon name of the animation. So animation is written. Name of the animation is ABC, and any ABC animation will link with the where banner. Name of the animation will link with the banner. After that, this animation should work for how long? We have to write here. Animation hyphen duration. Animation hyphen duration should be for 5 seconds. 5s for 5 seconds. So when the page will run, animation will call and animation will be available for how long? 5 seconds. If I keep here 10, then it will apply for how long? 10 seconds. Let it be clear. Now in 10 seconds, what you want to do? When the page will run, animation will call and animation ABC will apply for banner, and that animation will be for the 10 second. In the 10 second, what animation we want to do? So we want to change the color of this banner. Text color we want to change. Okay. Now text color we want to change. So how to change the color? For that we have to write color colon red, green, blue, orange. Okay, that is the one option. Another option, so inside the animation you want to change the color of the banner, text color of the banner. Now question is how many time you want to change? Total duration is how long? Total duration is 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, how many time you want to change the color? One time. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, depends. Okay, suppose if you want to change 4 times, if you want to change the color as a 4 times, then what we have to do? Total 10 seconds divided by 4, correct? If you want to change the color 10 times, total duration how long? 10 seconds divided by 10, each second per one color. If you want to change the color 2 times, then total 10 seconds divided by 2, 5 second and 5 second. Okay, so same thing we are going to do here now. Okay, we are going to change the color total 3 times. So by default color here given as a orange. After 25% of 10 second, total 10 second we have. After 25% of 10 second, so what will be the 25% of 10 second? 2.5 seconds. Let me write here. After 25% of the 10 second, the color will convert into white color. Try this. So this 25% of how much? 10 seconds. Okay, write again. After 50% of 10 seconds, after 50% of 10 seconds, what we want to do? Color should be red color. After 75% of 10 seconds, the color should be yellow color. And once it will reach 100%, automatically default color will come. That is called orange color. Save the file and check. You can open in Chrome. Save the file and check once. Okay, ready? Check now. Color is changing or not? Go to your browser. Color will change. White, red, yellow. Again, which color? Orange. Default will go to the orange. But happen stopped it. Animation happen for total how long? 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, color change how many times? 3 times. White, red, yellow. And finally, 100% will become as a orange. Right? You want to repeat this animation? Animation happen only one time. If you want to repeat it, then we have to set the again condition. Okay, animation loop. How many times? That's called animation iteration. How many times this animation should call? As of now, you saw it's calling only one time, and one time it will call, and it will take total 10 seconds. And in 10 seconds, color will change 3 times. If you want this loop should happen again and again and again and again, like it should keep happening. Okay, so for that we have to call another property, animation hyphen iteration. Animation iteration hyphen count. Animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. Okay, you can put number here. 1 means 1 time, 2 means 2 times, 3 means 3 times, 10 means 10 times. Okay, if you keep it infinite, then unlimited times. Animation will not stop. It will keep happening till the page is open. You have the pages, study page. You should take the page, no? When you came discussing there, you should take the page from someone. She has a laptop, no? You should ask from her. You are logging in the Zoom app, I will give you. Zoom app, you log in, I will give the this two files. Study, you should join at least online. Festival. The festival will come daily if there is a money in the pocket. Festival will also not look like a festival. Festival will also not look like a festival if there is no money in the pocket. Right or not? Suppose Pongal, Holi, Diwali, many festivals are there, right? Money is not there in the pocket. Festival will look like a dry day. You will not feel okay, I should go outside. But suppose today you have the money in pocket, today is the Holi for you. Okay, today is the Diwali for you, right? You can celebrate Diwali today also. Right? Money is the matter. Learn first, get a skill. If you have a knowledge, money will come automatically. Festival will happen daily. Okay. Till job is not there, don't spend much time behind the God. God will say, you go and work. I will see you later. Okay. Once we'll have money and time, then we'll spend the time behind the God. Okay. Till job is not there, says God just give some time. I am busy as of now. Let me finish the task. Once I will get the job. I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. Go next. Go ahead. Refresh your page and just check. Animation will keep happening. It will not stop at all. It will keep changing. Change is happening. Infinite. So it becomes a infinite. Right? So color is changing. Hope this point you understood what we have written in this three line. We are calling animation. Animation will be for 10 seconds. Then you saw yes, animation has called for 10 seconds. It was after 10 seconds. What happens? Animation gone. Then we apply a loop as a infinite. Now animation duration is for 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, what you are doing? 3 times you are doing changes. Once 25% time will get finished, color as a white. After 50% time, color as a red. After 75% time, color as a yellow. Now along with color, we can change image also. Let's go here. Copy this line. Image background and paste here. And keep as a background image 2.jpg. Right here background image 3.jpg, background image 4.jpg. Okay, 234. Save the file and check now. Ready? Changing. Check now. Image will also change along with. Yeah. This animation, you can see this banner height is more. But if you reduce the height, the upper section will come up. Okay, no problem. So what we'll do is, we will reduce little height of this banner. Height is very much, so we can reduce little. Or instead of reducing little, you can add some more paragraph. Paragraph you can add here, some more content. Go to your banner, HTML. Go to your banner, HTML. One paragraph here given. Create one more paragraph. Okay. 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 If you reduce the height, it will look more better. Come to CSS. In CSS, in CSS, for banner, for banner, for banner, for section what we have written, top 100, bottom 50, main height 5. Okay. So for banner, you keep your height. Okay. Minimum height 500 is there. Keep height 400, 400 and put higher priority. Exclamation important. Okay. Height 400, exclamation important. So height of banner will get reduced to 400. If required, you can modify little more. Not still managed. Keep less 300. Then see. Not managing. Banner height 300. Not getting applied. 200. Exclamation important also is no any effect. No effect. Nothing changing because you can see here no for section tag we have given how much main height 500. Okay, so we can write here max height. Let me try with the max height. Max height 400. 1 minute. I will modify, then you can try it. Max height 400. Not applied. Max height 200. No changes. Let me change the padding bottom. That may apply. Padding bottom 0 px. Padding bottom 0 px. Okay, so that is working. Padding bottom 0 pixel is working. Padding bottom 0 pixels. 50 pixel was there, that reduced to 0 pixel. So let it be till here. Hello. Tell me. बता दिया हमने, हम बता दिया है उसको काउंसलर को. Okay, ready? Let's go ahead. So this file is ready, and in that your animation also worked and everything is happening. We can apply little CSS for small device. If device is small, see here. Menu went there, navigation. In a small device, navigation came down, no? See, there is a problem still. We need to work on that. Contents are moving down is okay. This width of the table, see here, scroller came. That we need to manage for a small device. Till here there is no problem. Till here all is fine. Okay. So in very up to 700 we can do some changes. Come there to the CSS file. In CSS file, for table, what is the width we are given? That we can see here. For field set, width is 400, right? So those all we have to modify. Come down. We have ULLI, we have padding we have given much, that we need to modify. Now come down in the last, right here, comment call CSS media query. CSS media query. CSS media query, come down. For what purpose? To find screen size. Screen size. We will go here. Okay. Media query right here. At the rate media screen and at the rate media screen and minimum hyphen width 1 pixel and maximum hyphen width maximum hyphen width maximum hyphen width 700 pixel. More than 700 pixel, it is fine. Problem is up to 700 pixel. In very small device, it is going little here there. Before and after and space is required. Before and after and you must give the space. At the rate media screen and main width and max width. Main width and max width. So minimum width is 0 pixel and maximum width is 700 pixel. Then under the UL, there is the LI. Under the UL, you have the LI. Their padding should be very less. Maximum 7-8 pixel and font size somewhere 15 pixel. And exclamation important to set higher priority. Exclamation important to set higher priority. Okay, ready? Check now. Minimize the screen size. Make a small device and check what is happening. Up to 700, still font size is bigger. Hmm. Font size 15 px, padding 5 px, font size is 12-13 px. Oh, not for this. Font size you can't change here. Padding 7 pixel is okay. Let it be. Font size is not for this. Font size is for E tab. So for that we have to write UL space LI, then E tab. Font size reduce here to 15 px. 15. This should work. UL LI A. Under the UL, whichever the LI we have, for that we have E tab. Change that color. Ready? Check now. Font size got reduced. Now all will fit in one line. So this is for a small device. Below this contact block is still big font size. We have to reduce little. Okay, it's see here. The scroller is coming here. That should not be like this. In mobile phone, it will be more problem. Come down. You have a field set. Field set. For field set, 400 we are given the width. Change the width 350 maximum or maybe 300 pixel. Exclamation important. Or width keep here how much? 100% if I give, what will happen? Exclamation important. 100% there will be problem. Let me verify once, then you can try. 100% has the problem. Little smaller we need to do. 90% will be okay. 90% will be okay. Some gap is required. Yeah, so it is 90%. Here it is fine. Is it covering less space from left and right? Up to 700 it will be. After 700 it will become 400 pixel and everything will be normal. So well perfect for the mobile phone. 100% we by default how much is there? 400 pixel we are given. 400 pixel concept will be replaced with a percentage. In which device? A small device. If it is the device is a small device, then it should not. Then we will not understand. No, up to 700. How much we give? 706. Okay, let's keep 90%. The 90% of the current device. Then check it. Hope looks similar. Yes, no, you can reply in chat. This is the final output in a small device. Final output in a small device. If you click on the links, your menus are going up, down, happening like this. The design in a small device. You need file, correct? You are in the laptop, you got the file. Okay. Okay. Check it. Will come in 1 minute.
తీసే అనుకున్నాను నేను అప్డేట్ Depois não sei agora, na altura, eu não vejo como eu amanhã. Vai dar uma coisa. తెచ్చేస్తాం సరే నాకు ఇది చెప్పినావు నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్పినా చెప్తే పోవాలట ఎందుకు వచ్చారు నాకు అసలు పడుతుంది వాటి చూస్తున్నట్టు విన్నావా నేనే నేను ఇస్తానని చెప్పడానికి నీకు నేను వాడు నాకు ఇచ్చాను కదా ఇస్తానని చెప్తాను నీకు చెప్పి నేను వస్తాను నేను ఎక్కువ ఇస్తాను చేసుకుంటున్నాను
Okay, so hope you checked. Page is working. Now come next. After that, we can apply another animation. One more animation we can write to get some more idea. This menu, you can see menus. Inside the menu, by default, we have fixed the color as a red color, as a black color. That also we can change. Okay, that color also we can change. One option. Another option, suppose you are on the home, so no problem, it's a top section. If you are in the about, if you are in the contact, you are in the here, right? So in this case, what is happening? Your content are moving, scroll up and down is happening. Now how that scroll up down is happening? Look at the browser URL. Okay. If I click on helpline, then in browser URL, it will say has helpline. If I click on product, in browser URL, it will say has product. If you click on about, then it will show here as a has about. Same time home, then it will display the which section? Banner section. Here is the code that is written. Look in the beginning. When you click on home, in current page only, it will point to those sections whose ID is banner. Banner. If you click on about, it will in current page only, it will point to those sections whose ID is about. So it is here. So the in the current page only, your section are divided into page are divided into multiple sections, and each section have ID. So here the hash is a locator. Hash is a kind of a locator. Hash is going to find. Hash is going to explain. Yes, where is this ID? And with the help of hash only, your page is able to find the particular location. If you will not give hash, then what will happen? It has to go to the next page and page will get reload. It will take some time. Now come. Next, this menu we have. Under this menu, we are going to apply the animation. So the color of the menu will keep change. Black, blue, red, green, automatically. Okay, so come to the CSS file. And animation you have to write for this UL tag. See, UL, what is the color by default? Black. Background is a black. The background black we want to change. Green, orange, blue, something. So let's write the animation before the UL tag. Right here call @ or you can write first a comment here animation for navbar. Animation for navbar. Animation for navbar. Animation for navbar. Come down below. At the rate key frames. My animation name we given as my. Now call this my here animation colon my. Animation colon my. After this, animation duration 5 seconds. Animation iteration count is finite. Add this three property. Animation iteration count. Go next. Under the navigation, in 5 seconds, we can change how many times? 3 times. Change 3 times, or maybe we can change it. Okay, 3 times. So once 30% time will get finished, then background will convert into complete green color. Convert into green color. When 60% time will get finished, then background will convert complete into which color? Blue color. Okay. How much? Okay, keep 25%. 25%, 50%, and next 75%. 75% dark blue color. Green, last pick purple. Purple color. Purple color. And then check it. So total what will happen when 25% of 5 seconds will get finished, the background color will become as a green. When 50% of time will get finished, 50% time, 50% will get finished of 5 seconds, then which one? Blue. And after 75%, which one? Purple. See it now? See, changing. Default will go to black. This would keep change. Huh? Animation is changing. I should give some space here. See it now. In this, we have a color combination of gradient also we can apply. We can use 2, 3 color combination. As of now, only one color is getting applied at a time. We can keep 2, 3 color combination. Okay, so how that work? Let's go here. Right here. Background hyphen image. Background hyphen image. Then you will use a here called linear hyphen gradient. Background hyphen color. Background hyphen image as a linear gradient. Linear gradient. Hello? Okay. Next, after that, background hyphen image. Which color? Linear gradient. Let's keep 2 color. Two left, comma. The first will be which color we are given? Green color. And second will be blue color. Okay. In the second case, also keep here linear gradient only, but convert into two right. Okay. Two right. Same color. In the third one, you let it be two left, but first to convert into purple color. And last to convert into some other color, maybe black color. And check once. Background hyphen image linear gradient, two left. Background hyphen image linear gradient, two right, and different color combination. I can share you this keyframes in your CSS. You can check it. See how that looks. Color combination will change. There will be 2, 3 color combination. Changing the color. Check now. Linear gradient is something else. Oh, for me, not happening all. Any spelling mistake? Background image linear linear gradient. Two left green. This one. Two left. Only one is happening. Oh, all are 25%. Yeah. 50%. 75%. Please change the number. 25, 50, and then 75. Change the number, and after that you can try. Already. Check now. Oh, shit. Perfect color combination is generating. So complete full page become as a animated page. If a small screen also no problem. Everywhere it will look similar. Okay. Right. So let's go next. Study video is available in your channel. You check that. I have uploaded night. So daily video will come there only. You keep down playing from there and watch it whenever you. Okay. Next, after that, finally, I will show you one photo. That homework you should try compulsory. Okay. So here is one photo. This is your main homework. Just try that. Try this or something else. This is look difficult. Go for another one. Okay, this is one photo. This is one photo. And another photo is here. This is another photo. Project pick, and then this dashboard page. Okay, this is based on which one? CSS and icons. If you design this properly, then you become a proper designer. It will not happen in 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hours you have to sit, then it may be. Navigation we have understood through icon how to create. Icon you have seen how to create, how to call the icons. FA, color combination you can write the class and call it. So first this photo how it will come. Let me see, it should be there in my WhatsApp. Okay, yeah. So I'm sending you this photo. That is one photo, two photo. So one photo I sent to the 11:30 people. It now one photo came. Video for that you have to follow the steps. Then it is one. It is private video. You have got permission yesterday. Hmm? What is showing? Are you logging in the Gmail? Show me where you are logging. Okay, so 2 photo came in your chat. Please check that. Let me send you one more photo. Hmm. Which arrow? This arrow. You can check in font or some. There is some icon. Carrot, carrot, carrot. That is also icon. Carrot icon. Class name should be carrot. Okay, so check 2 photo came in your chat. I will work on that. Which one? That's LI. ULLIA. You can convert into inline. It will come in same line. This menu you have made, no? Here. Same thing. Which icon? Hmm. LI is by default block only. LI is by default block itself. We have converted into inline, so it is coming in one line. If you want to convert into block, you can say display block. Display colon block, it will go to the new line. It will go to the new line. Display block. For that, you have to write property is a display block. Are you logging in Gmail?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Regarding the subject, the batch will be submitted.
Not there. Which Gmail you are logging? This email you are logging? This email you are
Yes, sir.
subscribed?
Yes, sir.
This email you are given?
Yes, sir.
Open the Gmail. Gmail. Okay, so hope you got the photo. Let's see.